Hello, hi children, welcome back to the EVS session. So in the previous video we learned about the importance of eye, right? Eye is the most important sense organ. So in this video we are going to learn the precautions to be taken to take care of eye. So you are very interested in seeing the pics. So let us learn the topic by seeing the pics. Now let's see the picture, children. So always read while sufficient light is there. And one more thing children, we do not read while we are in doing journey. And second one is, we should not see directly at the sparkling light. And third picture, we should not rub our eyes. And we have to just wash our eyes with cold water if anything falls in them. So we should not rub our eyes. And we must wash the TV with sufficient distance from it. So we must maintain the distance of 2.5 meters distance from the TV. And whenever if you are unable to see the letters on the board, you better to inform your parents or teachers so that they will take you to the doctor. And we should not use the cloths used by the people, those who are suffering with the eye infections. Just like in this picture you can able to see that the girl is suffering with conjunctivitis. So we should not use the cloths which are used by the people who are suffering with eye infections. And here you can able to see one person's children, right? He is the doctor and he treat the disorders or the infections related to the eye. He is called as ophthalmologist or eye specialist. And to improve our eyesight, we have to eat this kind of food materials. So if we eat these kind of food materials, that will improve our eyesight and we can able to see the things better. So we must follow all these precautions to take care about eye. So you will have to follow all these things children. You must maintain 30 centimeters distance between book and eye, and do not rub your eyes properly. Wash them with the cold water and maintain the distance 2.5 meters from the TV, and consult the eye specialist if you have any problems related to the eye, just like redness, irritation or watering, whatever may be. Better to consult the eye specialist. This is your homework children. Collect the names of diseases related to eye.